Welcome to this trigonometry masterclass. Today, we are diving deep into the domain and range of the tangent function. We will explore why the domain is restricted, what asymptotes are, and why, despite these restrictions, the output covers all real numbers. To understand the behavior of tangent, we must first look at its definition. The tangent of an angle theta is defined as the sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta. This fraction is crucial. In mathematics, whenever we have a fraction, we must be careful about the denominator. If the bottom number becomes 0, the expression breaks. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. Here, we see an angle theta. The length of the blue vertical line represents the tangent value. As the angle increases towards vertical, you can imagine this blue line getting longer and longer, stretching infinitely upwards. Recall that tangent is sine divided by cosine. Therefore, tangent is undefined whenever cosine of theta equals 0. On the unit circle, the x-coordinate is 0 at the very top and the very bottom. That corresponds to 90 degrees, or pi over 2 radians, and 270 degrees, or 3 pi over 2 radians. Because the function is undefined at these specific points, we draw vertical dashed lines on the graph called asymptotes. The curve will get closer and closer to these yellow lines, but will never actually touch or cross them. These represent the holes in our domain. So, how do we write the domain? We say that x can be any real number, such that x is not equal to pi over 2 plus n pi. Here, n represents any integer. This formula basically says, start at pi over 2 and keep adding half circles to find all the forbidden points. Now let's look at the range, or the possible outputs. Even though there are gaps in the input, the output is limitless. The tangent curve shoots up to positive infinity and dives down to negative infinity. Therefore, the range is all real numbers, written as negative infinity to positive infinity. Putting it all together, this is the classic graph of the tangent function. Notice the repeating wave-like pattern constrained between the yellow vertical asymptotes. It passes through 0, curves upward, and repeats every pi radians. In summary, remember these two distinct characteristics. The domain is restricted to avoid division by 0, creating vertical asymptotes at every odd multiple of pi over 2. However, the range is unrestricted, covering all real numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.